Sometimes, somehow, we need a counter or a clock or maybe a stopwatch or something like that in our video. In this video, I want to show you all techniques for making counters. I do an easy one, but it covers everything you need to make one. This is Sarvi channel where you will learn every small thing about editing photos and videos. So subscribe my channel and like this video. Comment whatever you want me to make for you. Let's go. So here we need a 10-second video in black screen. So new project, add a photo, any photo, doesn't matter what. Make it exactly 10 seconds because we need it. Then add text, type something, no matter what. And change the color of the text and background to black and make the background bigger. Now aspect ratio, change it to 9:16 and then resize the text so we have a black screen. Now increase the time in the timeline. So now you can export it. Again, new project, add the video that we just made. Now add text and type 0 and select the font that you like. Resize it, make it bigger, and now increase the time of the text to 10 seconds and duplicate it. So we have 10 layers. Now change the text from 0 to 9 and change the places in the timeline. Okay, and when finished, you should divide the 0 text layer into 2 parts and put the second part somewhere that we need it later. Now duplicate number 1. Now put it after 0. At the beginning of the 0 text layer, add keyframe, and at the end of it, add keyframe. And now move the layer to go up and change the opacity to 0. At the beginning of a 0 and make the opacity to 100. Now in the middle of the number 1 text layer, add keyframe. In the beginning, add another keyframe and move the layer down and make the opacity 0. In the middle, make the opacity 100, and at the end of it, make the opacity 0 and move it to the up part of the screen. Now duplicate the layers. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and again that part that we missed it from, the 0 text layer, we'll put it after 9. So we have this. All right, now export it. Now get back to the project and delete the layers from 6 to 9 and put the 0 after 5. Now new project, add the 60-second video that we just made, change the aspect ratio to 69, add text, type 0, change the font. Now for now, make the color red or something that you can see it. So resize it. In toolbar, go to basics and change the place. Then again, change the color to white. Now duplicate it and in toolbar, go to basic, x-axis, and change its place. So we have two zeros that they show the hour. So here again, add text, as you can see. Now add layer as an overlay, the 100-second video that we made, and change the speed to exactly 10x. So we have a 10-second video. Now in toolbar, go to splice or blend and make it lighten. Now go to basic in toolbar and change the place, and on scale you make it 100. Duplicate this one and put it in its place. Now we should duplicate this layer, so we have 6 of it, and increase the time of the texts. Now again in toolbar overlay, add overlay and add the 100-second video that we made. Splice it or blend it to lighten and move it here. Make it a little smaller if you want. And change the speed to 100. Now duplicate it. Now we should fill the timeline. So we have this. Now export it. Okay, now new project. Add the video that we just made and make it reverse. Now this part is optional, so if you want you can search for grunge photos in Google and download one of them. So we have this. Now if you want you can add it on the video and blend it, so as you can see it's a little more beautiful. So you can, now if you want you can add it to a photo to see what will we have then. So we should blend it and resize it, so we have this. This is Saranvid, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment so I could get what else you want me to make for you. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.